Hello everyone, today I will show you how to edit page numbering in a PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. This is my PDF file and this page numbering. I will edit this page numbering. I will insert page numbering for page number first page and select organization. Now select here header and footer and select update and click on this page number dated format. First let's see this page number format. Let's use this page number format and I will start page number for number 3. Select OK. Remove this one. I will insert this right header text. Now select insert and see this and this page is I will select all pages. Now select OK and select OK finally. And this is first page and you start with number 3 and see this. And again go this page number option. I will start from number 1. Simply select here number 1 and OK. Select here insert and see this and OK and save this. This number 1 is done. And finally select this file option, save or save as in PDF file.